In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your printout being skewed on your Epson EcoTank printer. If this video does help, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. The first thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to go over to our homepage on our printer and make sure that our printer is on so we can use the homepage to navigate. And guys, what we want to do is we want to scroll over to print failure. So this is going to give us Epson's official advice for this issue. We're going to scroll down and we're going to find printout is skewed, and we're going to see what Epson have to say for this. So the first thing we need to do is to load our paper properly. I'm going to press OK here and check that the paper is loaded correctly. So what it means by that, guys, is to make sure that the rear paper feeder has our paper loaded correctly, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. As if it's not loaded correctly, you might not be the printer might not be receiving the paper correctly. So let's have a look at how to fix any issues with the paper feeder. We want to take our paper out, guys, and just reset it back to normal. So this is what you will have initially when you have a new printer. The most important thing to do, guys, is to move this blue clip. We want to take the blue clip and move it out. And we want to take the panel, lift it up and push it back out so we can lean our paper on it. And we want to put our paper, put our paper inside now, make sure it's on the panel. And guys, what we want to do is to push our blue clip in, push it in, but not so much that the paper gets kind of pushed to the side. We just want to make sure the paper is secure enough so that when the printer takes it in, it doesn't kind of mess it up. So once that's done, guys, you want to make sure that your paper settings are correct. If you're not using A4 plain paper and it says A4 plain paper, go to change and then go A4 or select the paper size that you want, and then select the paper type that you have on this menu. And then once you've done that, hopefully your issues might be fixed. Now, the other thing it says is to set original properly. So this is for people that are using the scanner and your scans are not coming out properly. So to make sure that our scanner document is correct, guys, you want to follow these markings on the printer. You want to follow here, guys. So on the bottom left, you can see Epson has left a little notch, and this is where the top of your paper should go. This is where you should place your your paper, so that your printer can read it correctly. And we have these little notches up here, which show that where the orientation of the print should go. So as we can see, we're just going to place it here. This is the orientation it should go. So the top of your paper should be this way. And yeah, once that's done, just close the lid and then you should be ready to go. That is how to place your paper on the scanner correctly. But guys, thank you very much for watching. If this did help, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.